Yung nang maliit sa'yo, sila pa yung walang resulta. Napansin mo ba? Yung mga taong pinaparamdam sa'yo na maliit ka, sila pa yung walang buhay na gusto mong gayahin. Yung nangda-down sa'yo, madalas sila yung takot mag-try. Yung nagmi-minimize ng pangarap mo, sila yung hindi pa nagsisimula sa kanila. Kasi truth, secure people don't shrink others. They clap, they support, they inspire. So if someone makes you feel small, don't question your worth. Question their perspective. Hindi mo kailangang mag-adjust para maging comfortable sila. Hindi mo kailangang lumiit para lang mag-fit in. Because the right people, they will never make you feel too much. They will remind you, you're just getting started. So next time someone tries to dim your light, smile. Kasi hindi mo goal maging katulad nila. Ang goal mo, to build a life na kahit ikaw ipagmamalaki mo.